Today's top news, 23rd May. Record of 21.23 lakh COVID-19 tests conducted in single day center. India has set a record of conducting the highest COVID-19 tests in a single day with over 21.23 lakh fresh tests, the Union Health Ministry said. This is also the fifth successive day that over 20 lakh tests have been conducted in India. COVID-19 vaccination drive will pick up after June, Maharashtra Chief Minister. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray said he was confident that COVID-19 vaccination drive will pick up once the supply is smooth after June. He added that the state was ready to make one-time payment for 12 crore vaccine doses for people aged between 18 to 44. COVID-19 vaccination for youth halted in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said COVID-19 vaccination for youth has been halted in Delhi since yesterday the stock of this category has been consumed. He added that Delhi needs 80 lakh vaccine doses per month. However, it received 16 lakh doses in May and will receive 8 lakh doses in June as informed by the centre. Bengal Chief Minister to stay at control room, supervise situation during Yas. The West Bengal government has taken all precautionary measures to deal with cyclone Yas, and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will stay at a control room in Nabana to monitor the situation and oversee administration's arrangements, officials said. Puducherry government announces extension of lockdown till May 31st. The Puducherry government today announced that the ongoing lockdown in Union Territory has been extended till May 31st. All restrictions imposed from May 10 would be continued and only essential services would be available till noon every day. Wrestler Sushil Kumar crossed many state borders, constantly changed SIM cards, police. Olympic medal winner wrestler Sushil Kumar, who was arrested in connection with another wrestler's murder case today, kept changing his location and used multiple SIM cards to avoid arrest, Delhi police had said. He crossed borders of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh and Punjab in last 18 days. It said Kumar had stayed in an ashram in Rishikesh, it added. CBSE offers two options to government for holding Class 12 board exams, reports. The CBSE has reportedly suggested two options for Class 12 board exams that were postponed in view of the second wave of COVID-19. Under the first option, exams will be held only for major subjects in the existing format at designated exam centers. Under second option, 90-minute exams will be held only for major subjects in students' own schools. Thank you, and that's all for today.